Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Global Gal Pals. Today is the last day of 2021. It went by so fast, giving us so many memories. So we thought that how about we share our highlights of the year with you. So should we start? My first highlight of the year? Well, hands down moving to Singapore from India. I mean, so much of excitement and nervousness at the same time. In fact, pandemic के time shift करना था तो उसकी एक अलग ही tension थी. Oh God, I remember 14 days का quarantine. I didn't even know in which hotel I need to quarantine in. So in Singapore, it's totally random allocation. But I was lucky enough to get a good hotel. Well, 14 days passed and my journey in Singapore started. Singapore has been absolutely amazing. Like anyone would, first few months तो हम Singapore ही explore कर रहे थे. It's such a clean and a beautiful country. So apart from weather and definitely missing family, you will love Singapore for sure.
For this highlight, celebrating small achievements and goals. 2021 was the year I got my permanent residency in Canada. Yay! Well, I do not have a video to show you. We can always reenact that, right? Hello? Yes, this is her. Hey! Oh my gosh! That's fantastic. Would that be coming by email? That's pretty much how it went. Let me get back to get the finer details. Okay, how would I be receiving that? Resolution makers, you can probably relate to this one. I have always been an avid reader, but COVID replaced that with Netflix. So we decided to make a resolution and have completed 21 books in 2021. Here is my favorite of the lot. These two books, I really cannot recommend it enough.
My first highlight of the year definitely has to be my Spiti trip. Don't know what I'm talking about? Well, here's the link. Okay, enough promotions. But honestly, being a travel enthusiast, I used to plan at least 2 to 3 trips within a year. But of late, COVID की वजह से कुछ हो ही नहीं पा रहा था. And then this trip happened. Spiti is unique in so many ways. I mean, staying in the remotest of the villages, living life like locals with absolutely zero connectivity. I mean, where in the world do you find pink-hued mountains and crystal blue lakes all together in one place? And on top of that, the Tibetan prayer flags, the colorful ones, they just add to the aura of the place. So when someone says that Spiti is an experience, they're true about it.
Top of my list of highlights definitely has to be my move from Dubai to Netherlands. And I have to say this, I was completely in love with Dubai. I had no reason for moving to another country when I had so many friends, family, the Indianness and the familiarity that you have in Dubai, right? But I also wanted to explore a new country, meet new people and explore a new job market, etc. So I'm just grateful for being given this opportunity and the fact that I have so many good memories from Dubai. So it's been pretty amazing.
Well, the second highlight of the year has to be managing my home. I was managing for the first time and in a new country, so it's an experience in itself. Figuring out daily grocery stuff to fruits and vegetables to cooking, cleaning, setting up new home. यहाँ पे सभी कुछ खुद करना पड़ता है. Seriously, Singapore is a very very easy country to settle in. Met 2 ladies जो मेरी daily shopping में काफी help कर देती हैं. One is the lady who sells amazing fruits to me and also labels as to which mango needs to be consumed first and which one second. Second is the lady who sells vegetables. When I met her first time, she started saying,
"What you want? You want the palak? You want the sabji? Yeah, the mendi also nice.
It was so sweet. And in the end, she said,
Shukriya."
Cute, right?
Well, second on my list is the amount of travel that I got to do in 2021 for sure. So I understand that not many of us have got a chance to travel. very, very grateful for any opportunity that I got to travel. I went to Georgia, I went to Turkey, and after getting here in Netherlands, I've been to Luxembourg. So it's been a really nice journey, and I think Turkey was like the highlight of all these travels. It was a beautiful 10-day road trip, and I had the best time of my life. That's what I told my husband at least.
This highlight I'm calling need to stay home but gotta drive. I absolutely love driving, and I am so grateful for my friends who love exploring. And hence, we drove. Well, I drove and my friends played navigator, food searcher, and DJ to a lot of Canadian towns. Here, take a glimpse.
Now, the coaches we've got on the train today are all 1920s vintage.
Outdoors is a certain booster. Would you agree?
तो मेरी लाइफ का सेकंड हाईलाइट है माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड गिन्नीज वेडिंग. फैक्ट, हमारी बेस्ट फ्रेंड गिन्नी की शादी. We waited for her marriage for so long that we wanted it to be absolutely special for all of us. So right from virtual dance practice to having a gala time at her Sangeet, we surely created a lifetime of memories. Last wedding of our group, the first destination wedding of our group in Haridwar. And finally got our baby married.
Third highlight, definitely Global Gal Pals.
It's GGP without a doubt.
GGP for sure.
Global Gal Pals, the YouTube channel that you're on.
What incredible 5 months it has been. I still remember. We were already doing Aiko dance video before even GGP happened. And one day I just texted on the group that I have something in mind and when will you all be available? Trust me, I was very nervous कि पता नहीं क्या response होगा GGP के लिए.
I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous and curious to see as to what we can offer.
We all had our doubts on whether we would be able to keep up and how it would pan out.
And when I heard about the idea, my instant reaction was कि let's give it a shot.
And it has been hands down the best decision. And this, I speak for each one of us.
As much as we love creating content for you guys, we definitely did not start as pros.
GGP has been a laughter therapy for the week.
मैंने ठेका ले रखा है तो मैं हर वीडियो में ब्लूपर कंटेंट दे देगा. इस वीडियो में कुछ बना नहीं था.
कभी प्रॉप साथ नहीं देते.
Mystery and passion.
And sometimes what we want to say does not come out right.
And here's we got.
And yours we got.
Sometimes we have technical issues. बहाने हमारी तारीफ हो गई
Come on, please, हो गई.
And sometimes we go to the रट्टा मारने वाला mode.
Each one of us is around using the tried our best to match.
अपना जैसे पाइवा की प्यारी.
एक ही गो में बोलना है.
Apart from obviously getting to spend a lot more time with each other, I think through GGP, each one of us has learned so much. I have learned so much in video and picture editing, at least for a novice.
Yeah, it's been so amazing that through this initiative, we've actually been able to push each other to do things that we would have never imagined. For example, I ended up doing like a fashion video because of these guys, and that's something I'm not at all into, but it was so much fun. Another way in which we pushed each other was to do vlogs. At first, when I started in Turkey, I was so conscious of myself that I hardly vlogged, But then I kind of changed that when I visited Luxembourg, and I did a full-blown vlog which actually motivated the rest of my friends to also do similar vlogs when they visited in Spiti, Goa, Singapore and in Toronto. I think we're all growing as individuals and as friends together through Global Gal Pals.
For all those who have been curious from our AMAs कि time difference कैसे manage होता है?
It's definitely not easy. Well, मैं तो early riser बनी गई हूँ, and Agarwal has been burning that midnight oil.
अजीब हो गया उसकी अर्ली मॉर्निंग मेरी लेट नाइट.
और मैंने और अंशु ने तो इतने प्लान्स कैंसिल या रीस्केड्यूल किए होंगे टू फिट आवर स्पेसिफिक टाइम.
प्लीज जल्दी जल्दी. नहीं मुझे करना है पापा. जल्दी 9:30 बजे मम्मी पापा को खाना.
I really love these guys, and GGP is the best thing to have happened this year, and I hope it continues to be our highlight of the year for the next so many coming years.
We sincerely thank you for viewing our videos week after week.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Well, my party has arrived. I hope you guys are celebrating in some way too. Here's Global Gal Pal signing off and wishing you a fantabulously happy and abundant new year. Cheers!